sorry o emunti eno hiati aba Ghana for mon sorry o Ghana for mon sorry o emunti eno hiati aba Ghana for mon sorry o Ghana for mon sorry o emunti eno hiati aba Ghana for mon sorry o Ghana for mon sorry o emunti eno hiati aba Ghana for mon sorry o Ghana for mon sorry o emunti eno hiati aba Yamama kwa ba de ba onye TV show ene anwumrei and na Jordan the 24th of November 2025 Yemfa kwanya we ni enche ahwefo ni atiefo nyina yema obibiara jo omo mo hwe free all the regions especially Bono region and na omo hwe free amanone yemfa kwanya we ni enche omo nyina Niema omo adwo sonko ene yatena sie na nsem bebre ene wona proso yebeben sema bole bamboy MP aka edia for the good people of Chebi yebeka ho asem saa sona eye Felisofo kwache endorsement Our endorso Honorable Kennedy Japan and Ansema former administrator District Assembly Common Fund Honorable Naaa Torshie propaganda on also the nano yeba set record straight and anumre breaking news aba Otimun say, and some bebre any womb. Na yeti o my muhai. For the first time, a judge babema judgment. Na ye court, enipa mienu court. Na judge akachira mosemonko, matio masem ni nyina wie. Nyame ya doma. And that's a moment court magic judgment. Ebeka 2 days. Ama yako courtwa. Na defendant no. Enkrofo ana plenty front na busuafo nyina to party. Asha tarefita say asem na ye dia court no. Judge ni say ye dibim. Womna kwa judge no onya ma ruling. Yanko na nima ne ma ye ruling ana judgment no na plaintiff no one na busuafo one na dofo ahia tarefita akoda nyame ase omufra soda mu ba ye no wo ma ba be ye party ama busuafo adidi anom ansa na wo mu court akwakoje judgment no enti e basa me a would me call court na samba na baka say won judge no aye one me can straight say judge no e de nwa ye den aye nensa a o yiri ho hwia enye yie because asem wo court wa judge ama ye da say ye mra magi judgment ye court to fieda ye fam say court to fieda ana judge so asem na modi aba diamond me no matie manu asem ne madanse fo nyina nyame ya doma 24th November 2025 mumra manim na me mamu final judgment babia asem na nkasa ebe kwa akoto ye free court damu a na me amedi asem ne koye no kwasiera menam nkrofo nyina kwa soda makoko dase wo mre kwa judge ne judgment nya maye ya kwa dase asha tare fufuo ye free soda mo ba ya baba organize party papa bi adofo nyina mra emedidi na judge ne se asem no ye dibem me yesa analysis way na watwe Ghana for adwenasi asembia e course weekend can see, and this is social media for what monitor TikTok, what monitor Facebook, what monitor Instagram, what monitor Twitter, and this is social media activists. No more post to buy less in Babe Ba Nenich ya. Buy less in Babe Ba. Moment come glass be so means over the weekend see Ghana for who near course war na man for bisa constituency buy less in Babe Kwaso na nye constituency be na ye pandai. Se who say and this social media followers and activists. Now we post to our page. Buy lesson looming. Buy lesson looming. Buy lesson looming. Rerun buy lesson. Rerun this and that. Omoka no majan ho. No money do. Obi pursue ya no say. You want the next 24 hours to say. Buy lesson in Babaso. It's not man for more social media free as here say. Constituency bay na some bay na see a dear na see and this phone in a that's all ye. Memen Danny Quasiera all and this is social activists. Say buy lesson Baba Bagana a dear na see. Ninyan say before Sana court to Bebua Assembly 24th November 2025. Our Tamale High Court no. Na judgment no ababe di NDC party war. Emma NDC for share the outcome of the judgment no with the social media activists. And then we have questions to ask the judge. And now you may want some beside judge or presiding over the Pandai parliamentary election petition. No. Question here beside judge say a ban saying a judgment over delivered 24th November 2025. A home formation they can call and this for her. Emma and this is social media activists. On Saturday and Sunday, one free see publicity say by election is looming. Ghana judiciary. And now judiciary na duruba bisa ukwakwa. Na se katro say e da say brabeji judgment here. The next day no na judgment na niki. Ansana judge deliver judgment no. As I say, the Chief Justice investigating case way. As I said, the Chief Justice say or percent Ghana for the international community judiciary in India. As I saw he investigating the entire judgment Timiliki 2 days ahead of 2 days before the judgment day, no, not judgment, not likely. Emma NDC party, and all social media activists, and information say everything is sealed and settled. And you know, Nyamia Doma by election is looming. All the NDC social media activists were. Omuposwa, Memenda, and the Nrokosi, Womoje Bino. Say no will say, Sa NDC party. Adi kane awu judgment no. Eno makase nkunimdie aba pandai. Yabakwa akoye rerun. Yabakwa akoye rerun ewo pandai. Nkunimdie ayeren aba. And the judge are presiding over the case. And who some of the posts are starting from Saturday and Sunday. And this is social media for a post to by election looming. rerun, by-election looming, rerun, by-election looming, rerun. They can't wait actually pardonate so memenda any kwasiela niene kwa social media. Eti ni akwa soro say nay a high court watena say yanko ye rerun of the Pandai parliamentary elections there. Na anditifoɔ in all their social media platform SRT rerun by election Saturday and Sunday there. Judge no bet ma ka kire say one leaking judgment no amfama anditifoɔ. Is the judge telling us to say one leaking judgment no amfama anditifoɔ? I am saying it on authority. Say social media and this social media for no epotu ye Saturday Sunday say rerun the biba by election rerun the biba because the judge leaked the judgment to the NDC. Yes, you cannot grant anybody because I post now a call for no Saturday Sunday na NDC for free post to by election there. We cannot trust this particular judgment no because I saying that NDC social media activists women sorry Saturday and Sunday and then Monday and a judge in go deliver judgment. Not before a judge in Casano. NDC for no insinuate say rerun the big baba koso adena mo insinuate na atima bam amana baba ye no kora say judge na huru say yenko ye rerun go huru say yenko ye rerun na aseno e bon bibi en ebe ko court of appeal yenim ni ebesie yenim panel members here ebe kwa court na asem so yenim the outcome. But you see say o mind bia e protect the only institution aka our integrity e judiciary o mind bia be pro attitude the only institution aka ebe our integrity. Now protecting on my pro attitude no the judiciary. Na say a drum pempen so say judge no the judgment be leaky ahead of time. Other parties followers and our supporters every young wing of the outcome of the judgment there. As a judiciary no. As a judiciary say, and this matter must be investigated properly. Say how come an NDC social media activists all over the weekends no say by-election is looming. Not by-election so Abba and then year 24th. Now, Asema Court 41 polling station and nobody call you. Montian ye Asema Gentia who say Momentian ye pow because we are getting here promise so say do this and you'll be promoted to court of appeal. Until you are there for your court of appeal, one to man oh yeah. Do this and you will be promoted to the Supreme Court. And the second yo, second yo, promotion ubenya at the court of appeal, one to man oh yeah. Second yo, second yo, and now say your promise to the Supreme Court and one to man oh yeah. By you be a kaya natural. Yabakan yes say catch now playing near to her. Nasaka ayi incident yes over the weekends. Na NDC anya the outcome of the judgment and some net 24 for no. Yeah, say the new chief justice ever investigate because the NDC anya the outcome of the judgment from the judge before the deliver. And yes, the chief justice investigate Niantia judgment and key before date. As so investigating because judgment leaky from the judge's office. And this in the conclusion, the reasoning of the judge, and all the followers, our social media, and almost a by-election at Babisi. Almost can say by-election at Babisi, by-election Babisi. As some making what will be over the weekends, Muti was him. Now, any pana or quarter 41 polling stations. And I see a same one. It will become fairly petition no the coy. And I children or fairly notice of discontinuance. Now, some notice of discontinuance now of fairly, a man quite money my beer. A man quite Saudi Assembly election petition when now the court or filing notice of discontinuance now withdraw assembly nipa the court say about one basayeno echo or filing a chino or withdraw case ni discontinue and na only akonya say or basana backward to hope without leave and this how backward to work ever say asana me be free one no afa dia me ba asana ba be yere aba be samane sa asem kro nti ko atono ma okwan bibisa ankoso odi ba ye na amramu no ana honorable Matthew Nindam ne lawyers raising the different objections said abi amra eda yanim no say na amra ne kire say so what discontinuance here as I say here with liberty to reapply bibi sama and to oba nye manye judge me say asem no nkoso enti asem na that Tamale High Court no na ye between Matthew Nindam and the High Court judge and yet the parliamentary candidate here ojina wo NDC dimu ekolusu ye dabi the matter before the Tamale High Court or a man judgment in Neno. So said the case in this starting here now. They were not judging hostile towards Matthew Nindam. Now, yet the case here between Matthew Nindam and the judge himself. And the say, and now yet 24 for Obama judgment, and this is 40 Kenya wing of the outcome of the judgment here. Almost here can once Saturday and Sunday. Now, 41 polling stations out of the 152 and more issues were our Pandago. And this nipa okokotna dekam. And this nipa okokotna dekam say, oh dear dance yama and this parliamentary candidate no. Or see, South 41 polling stations in Akwana. Results may be MPP, in favor of MPP, and be in favor of NDC. In all, no, South 41 polling stations now won't come was no. Results no, one okay, and all the 1,500 pay. Now, South 500 no cry no. So what the NDC parliamentary candidate in Wasira Obenusu, where ye NDC near or Tina Dakam, a dear dancy, Mumisa Jajana. The star witness of the NDC parliamentary candidate, Eji Tumusa, 41 polling stations now and one bar seminal, and until I'm qualified for a random. So 41 polling station results on Ukraine. eye 500 votes na sa 500 votes no so omo de kwaka omo nipa ne de no kra na still ano omo nipa no benusu ama Matthew Nindam na be kwaso aye MP we nyina e wo ho adisi ni a ono kodi adanse na no masem e wo court no no enso judge ne senda ye wo ye court Supreme Court ye court Supreme Court the decision is said polling stations here eye affected no ye hwese sa polling station no ene ye bekwa akoye rerun sa polling station 5 and 20 and asem wo ho na say any substantial effect on the entire election results wa bi kura wo ha asem no ye botugu but ye running say what effect I bet ma turn the election results wa ye kokko run the hu aba asem no. That is the law or the position as Supreme Court to kanye Naaa Torshie any President John Dramani Mahama. And the ban sign and 41 polling stations. Now NDC for na catch the judge and say so declare 41 polling station pa and favor more because on benusu and the on about one in namu. But any para or the assembly court no. One kasa election results entire election results no and assembly home. Or see some polling stations. And so judge Ibu asem no or see the entire result so you come all because a commodity dia bi akoso say see a quarter 41 ne kwana and this enya because MPP benya bia county still ano MPP na na ba we ne emwaye enti yankwa rerun na yenye Pandai City no upa Ghana City bia momfa in 1992 NDC dominating you oman fa Ghana oman timan ten Ghana ama Ghana anye se China yenya ye first republic a fourth republic yenya fourth republic wa Ghana hano and this in a stati amamu and people boycott parliamentary Emma and this in a control 1993 to 1996 you know and this in a control Ghana ha na MPP bia enter parliament and so MPP to me sorry e survive ye e be we need political power Muntia ni ye say the New Patriotic Party in 1992, the 1993 parliament, we had no representative, but MPP at me survive at Nasinya Hodere, ever in 96, 97, ye baby representative 60 our parliament, ye decide system ever give political power the year 2000. Numbers now more power parliament, and kiki MPP. More power. All the seats now can in no file election petition, even though time to challenge na atwam no monko Supreme Court le yamodia and the court to dan ba bia yamodia monko o metima pe ways and means no mama mo extension of time no makwa challenge no what the seat ni nyina aka na Ghana Parliament in 1992 the enemy MPP we cannot Yamfa and yes sit here Gubawa Parliament in the Bassisa Ghana near Brabo. The number of seats in our Parliament and school fees. The number of seats in our Parliament and school fees. Someone in my cateramo. The number of seats in our Parliament and Tobiana and Tom comfortable so. And for the first time in Ghana, judgment a leak 2 days. Judgment leak 2 days. And Sana Yababe deliver judgment, And you think, say, judgment way enye tentem eno betima ka kire me say sa judgment way no enye tentem with certain issues outside the court enye tentem obia no betima ka kire say judgment way enye tentem with certain issues outside the court are questionable. Opa mo go running. Obia no because you declare we ya mo di man for call ye to destroy things and others na nkosi hu. Yeah, the next issue. Aye, MP for Bole Bamboy. They say a friend Honorable Suleimana. And this is for Kasa. Omo Kasa for Mugudi. Because Omune Duruwa Omufisa Omuye Nipa Chen Obi. Yet to a man who have a Kai Ghana for me Central for Guinness Bibiso. And nay. Somewhere by Central for Binumayeti 2017, the former Deputy Minister of Agric, Ebra Emua, ETC, Abronye Expossed, our northern part of Ghana. And Wasem Baya Nieka, and the Deputy Minister of Agric, Honorable Ajapon Kwetu. Oba Bontembe ka say emwa na atiasi abroso asay no watena tamale 27 years no nim how northerners are difficult say omo instruction say ya omunni so and this in parliament. And this in parliament, a issue statement to say, Sasem na Honorable Japan Kwetu Akano, what did the Northerners attempt until on resign? When we have press conference upon press conference, all the northern regions, etia the Deputy Minister of Agric, Honorable Japan Kwetu, Samba Kaya, and people before any will hear a press, and I'm a Anemu brand ye kum and so within a ye na omono mo gina ho esere na mo ye MP before samu wo krom ha asana bole MP aka afa chebi fo ho no be si ne MP party ni hwewuram omo ntemi wo wa obi asuro ye nim nianti amusuro andisi mo nka o masem because mo nim say mo ka o masema ye be frem yeko ye nim nianti aye he ye nim nianti amumu binu mapama no a mo ntimi nka andisi asawe yeko ntia mo suro se mo bedam mo suro se yeko mo koya bia na ahweye ba bia mo ne ya wo mo ye de ye no me ye prison ayo associate professor akasa meye me yi metratre articles ne bia ka ho ne ya confirm me ya associate professor entiye de be kan ya dwene ne enti amontimi nkan nyina ne sai obie wa no ye de na ese kina no pa okura no na ukita position no okura na ye sei no bra be tretre nsem nti obie ampesa obekwa akoda yoko enti no ye ku party ne kura ye nkunu me dem sonso me ho amra ye be frɛ me e wo yoko ade kura senka ade na wa ya usuro se be frɛ o yoko eno ye wo asema but mon kai se Honorable Ajapon Kwetu, former Deputy Minister of Agric, at Yabanandis for the year no Kroma in 2017. No, we a minority. When we to make our parliament. Honorable Ajapon Kwetu resign here, ni position, no a deep position in just 6 months. All because Wakako say northerners here difficult because in church Ministry of Agric de maso omuniso no and no ka ho bie emoa atiasi abroso aseno odin kyerɛkyerɛmu baayɛ no sira NDC MPs in parliament aka se dabi honorable Ajapon Kwetu on resign achim odan MP on resign the position ekokotena fie because we use the word they say a tribe will be difficult and no the na ye binum ya ama minority so mu aka yes so mu kan ama ordinary position to her as a deputy minister of agric producer fasa publication na wo mo ye en fatoso deputy minister no resign fatoso sure and then that hon na minority or say the minority in parliament is demanding the immediate dismissal of deputy agric minister William Kwetu from the government over disparaging comment he made against Northerners. We are demanding that he should immediately, on his own volition, resign as a minister and quit from parliament, failing which the president must sack him to show his revulsion against such ethnocentric tribal bigotry. The Sanerigo member of parliament, A.B. Fuseni, stated in a city interview, Kwetu has since apologized after suggesting farmers in the northern part of the country could not be trusted on claims about the destruction weakened by the 4 army worm on their farms. Well, asem way keke. Say ye nyimu ni because we difficult. Ye kyeremu say antiniamo kan ye nyimu ni no. Ye ma the deputy minister of agric resign the position. And then some media has to say, I am bringing back this issue. Nama babe bisan central fois. Namu disikata free. Namu see the minister no, I'm making a no-centric comment. And he should resign no, and let some media for no more finding about what the Bola MP said. Producer, but Bola MP no, Bonnie voice. Our deputy minister of lands and some 4 waka. And then a druba be palm fat, no crepans and neck and sema make children crofobia will show way so no. And so no, I suffer for no mushe show now, or more hearing me too much. A mammy to me come feeling. Almost say, I mushe show no binti, would your men come as them? Mobile hearing me Sadia Medum station and their man can't boy. And mushe show no society to me come feelings. Can sema maka tres ha opening neno. What a producer about video.
If John the Man Mama has not done anything for the people of Chedi, he provided them with potable water. If John the Man Mama has not done anything for the people of Chedi, he provided them with potable water when indeed they were drinking water with pigs.
What is the offensive word?
Because he said, the people of Chedi, you are not the one presiding. The people of Chedi were drinking water with pigs. He made that definite statement. And well, if granted that he wants to stand by that statement, then he must provide evidence to that statement. Otherwise, he must be made to withdraw. He must be made to withdraw, and Speaker, that aspect of his speech must be expunged. And he must apologize to the good people of Chedi and the people of Eastern region. That is offensive.
Accordingly, I direct that.
If John the Man Mama has not done anything for the people of Chedi, he provided them with potable water when indeed they were drinking water with pigs.
What is the offensive word?
Because he said, the people of Chedi, you are not the one presiding. The people of Chedi were drinking water with pigs. He made that definite statement. And Well, if granted that he wants to stand by that statement, then he must provide evidence to that statement. Otherwise, he must be made to withdraw. He must be made to withdraw, and Speaker, that aspect of his speech must be expunged. And he must apologize to the good people of Chedi and the people of Eastern region. That is offensive.
Clear and definite statement. I will be a making. Say a man for what Chebi. A man for what Chebi. Na womane emprako na numunsu. Na President Mahama ene koma omo ensuo. Enye no kreda e wo Ghana ha President Mahama edi nsuo akochabi. That is a fact. Enye no kreda, and the records are there for us to show. Now beka say senye President Mahama Chebi water project. Ghana ha Cape Coast water project. Eye President Kufuor na ye. Kufuor water project ya. Chebi ne mpatam ka ho no eye President Kufuor na ye. Water project eye President Kufuor na start ye no ye. And this be ye expansion keke. And no ye Professor Mess. Kumasi water project eye President Kufuor na de buy. Sunyani water project eye President Kufuor na de buy. Tetima water project eye President Kufuor na de buy. Kwalangu water project President Kufuor na de buy. Kumawu water project President Kufuor na de buy. Medina water project President Kufuor na de buy. And me wo budget here. Kwabena Dufour me babe state water project wo Ghana. Say the water project e can't sema. Tonight me babe expose sa Tibon Kwaso Ampino. Paying for her program can let me deliver to from Kamayeno, my Geno. Damn, I'm come some go. What you say? And about water project here. Where ye? Kwabena Dufour on one kasa. Ne budget statement. Thursday, 5th March 2009. Parliament of Ghana. 2009 budget financial year budget no ende kitameno presented by Dr. Kwabena Dufour on behalf of His Excellency John Evans Atamis 2009. Na tie kwana ofaso e ball MPP abaso e bra Kwabena Dufour e ye no first budget as a Minister of Finance in terms of water project. Abasoba Odima MPP abain performance ye Ositie Ministry of Water Resources, Works and Housing, page 102, paragraph 447 to 450. Water project performance in 2008. Kwabena Dufour na ekasa yo. Osi wura water. Madam Speaker, that time and this time expense, Madam Speaker. The ministry acting through the Community Water and Sanitation Agency completed the following 2018 Aduma Kofoye and Kwabena Dufour edi one dance here a brata mess a babaimu now what taking over nti Kwabena Dufour year budget no na or ensure Mampanyini di ama Ghana for 2008 His Excellency John Ajekun Kufuor ne number. Also, Madam Speaker, the ministry acting through the Community Water and Sanitation Agency completed the following rural water projects: 1,300 new boreholes, 2,900 wells, 10 small towns pipe system, 2,747 household latrines, and so on and so forth. Water. Also, Madam Speaker, the Ghana Water Company completed the Konyanko Water Supply Expansion Project, Phase 1, which increased the output of water from 3 million gallons per day to 6 million. The East-West Water Transfer Interconnection was completed. This has improved water supply to the eastern part of Accra in areas like Achimota, Taifa, Dome, Tantrahead, Ofanko, and Amasamai. Where ye Dr. Kobna Dufour, NAD, MPP, one dance here, President Kufuor Duma obey ye, FL Kevin Taylor nom to meet now say, MPP Nyeri man Ghana, but Andy's NAD dance ye. No. Also the Cape Coast water supply expansion. Womo call UCC those days. Etimiti na working. Na me mane ma enware. Cape Coast water crisis under NDC. Kopem se MPP baba ban mu no. Na ensuo ho adene sai. Womo call UCC no, womo hu nsuo problem. Etimiti 1 week. Na ma enya nsuo nware wo mo di life so week wo di life so week and sana wanya okita gallon kakra bi na wanya nsuo ana President Kufuor edi Cape Coast water project ne ye de by ho abakosem ne enti aye to Cape Coast water project na nsuo ho aden wo Cape Coast o see the Cape Coast water supply expansion project, which draws its raw water from the Pearl River at Setlehiman, was completed and commissioned. The system supplies potable water to all towns en route to Cape Coast through Elimina and Commander. The Tamale Water Supply Expansion Project was completed and commissioned. The construction of 25,000 a plant which were served 250,000 extra people in the project area. The Bafi Chrome Water Supply Expansion Project was also completed and commissioned. The ministry undertook studies on water and sanitation in Wa, Yendi and Damango, even the Savannah region, the current regional capital of Savannah region. Damango Water Project, Damango Water Project, but Yamfa knew a matter because they are taxpayers. Oh, Tiato, and to go for Munsua. And people need be a new right to say, Damango Suaniwa, and Tiakomo Munsu, and you have to insult them. Damango Water Project, a president home region. Savannah region, the regional capital near Damango, that water project, a Kofona started here, where you come before saying this. Water project, your Damango, Kofona here. But what is say MPP Nibi, I do a them all because every at the time, no more to Abama NDC, and Tiakwako Munsua, we should insult them. No, they are taxpayers. What you have to, and to Komo Munsua. Madam Speaker, the phase 2 of the Adenta Improvement Project West, which was embarked upon to further improve upon water supply to Adenta, Asarboche, Adenta Housing Down, Oyibe and Frafraha, among others, was completed. Nsuonkwao, MPP Nsanu Adjuma, where you Kwabena Dufour and Ebo MPP Abaso, 2009 Parliament House. The ministry also continued with the following water supply project. Koforidua Water Supply Project. Underline Koforidua Water Supply Project. And we have page 103 of 2009 budget read by Dr. Kwabena Dufour. I say, the Ministry of West and Housing also continued with the following water projects. Koforidua Water Supply, Sunyani Water Supply Expansion, Wa Water Supply, Pond Water Supply Expansion, Kumasi Water Supply Expansion, Kaswa Water Supply, Kwau Ridge Water Supply Expansion, Korongo Water Supply Rehabilitation and Expansion, Kumawu Water Supply Expansion, Mampon Ridge Water Supply, Damango Water Supply, and Asim Fosu Water Supply Project. And to move back to say NDC4, and in Kumasia, One because Kumawu water project, Atames in Mahama de Dubai. All be lie. All be lie. And only this is what Kobna Dufour is saying. This is what Kobna Dufour told the Parliament of Ghana on 5th March 2009. All kind of Numa President Kufuaye. And for that, and the Kumawu water project, Yen Yadibaye, but more finance minister say, a MPP, Duma, praising the new patriotic party. My underline Koforudia water project. Sa water project, you know, ne expansion, ekwa Kofachebi. Sa Koforudia water project, you know, expanding Kofachebi. Eti esuoba na pedama ama de ko chebi na baya na wo de no to wa me expose and this will lies any insult self document we ya and this ba ye no ba bia aban no kokwaje ebosia no wo ba ye no ana o say wo here another money for the phase 2 because Koforudia water project ni nyina na ekokofa kebi ani nkro bebre na apega ka ho kibi ka ho kwaben ka ho and osina se ka ho and this about the year 2009 no woman san ko Australia Unicredit akoko J 7.9 million euros ana mo koko J Unicredit Bank Australia ana ma mo 7.9 million euros. Sa mo fa metwa phase 2 no so ne na akofo ye no wo mo fa metwa so no mo nwie where a finance committee document or say report of the finance committee on the credit facility between the government of the Republic of Ghana and Unicredit Bank Australia AG for an amount of 7,900,000 euros for the rehabilitation and expansion of 5,000 water supply. And you know, Apega, Kibi, Kwabin, and Osinase. Phase 2. Nti yen fanko twaso. Na yen complete because baby akofo ye see ye no. Yen twaso na fe de onkro na ewo deep no so. Wo mo so nyantuo no bi nyere ennom. Eti dabana President Mahama edi ensuo ko chebi. So read this document we ya. Ene ne kitami. Finance committee signed by Honorable James Crozi Avezi on the current CEO Exchange Commission. Honorable James Crozi Avezi, Finance Committee Chairman. This is the Finance Committee report. Producer Fatuso. Eti the banner document we ever trace President Mahama Edin Suoko Chebi. In anything, if anything at all, Krana, Atamis and a Bedi Kufuadi. And the project Biana a receival continuation, and expansion, a Atamesia, and the a there produce a wrong document there to see. About to sign a document here. Only before Parliament. 16 November 2011. Na ebebe said Doma Hamananeye. And let me read. I see the credit facility agreement between the government of the Republic of Ghana and the Unicredit Bank Australia AG for an amount of 7,900,000 euros for the rehabilitation and expansion of 5 towns water supply system Anyinam Apedwaki bi Kwaben and Osenase was laid in the house on Wednesday, 16th November 2011, in accordance with Article 181 of the 1992 Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. Enti near Omotiha, Omokika no, ewo fine. Background, Osi, Anyinam Apedwaki bi Kwaben Osenase are major towns in the eastern region. The water supply system of these 5 towns were constructed variously between 1964 and 1974. Until 16th November 2011. Now President Mahama is President of Ghana. Ono never inherited President Kufuor Atames and never inherited President Kufuor. Until all inherited project Biano equal in the name of Atames. Until Atames Baba complete Kufuor project here. Now we in a parliament say Chebi for ne and Prako ne no and so Anna or Munyaki Krana saw Mokai say President Mahama and the Bayu or Mufrim. President Mahama or Nimbi first Chebi so Anako for the water project was them. Evidence in a media ban. So when the evidence Krana near Quabrand before kind of parliament. Now this in a majority. Our parliament. Now munya approval. Now enya parliamentary approval. Now much of MPs so a black of 4 years our projects we nyina no. Akwa bread before do one dancing. Now we MPs. Ewo. Enti entro ye. Entro bebrebe ye. Entro na dos. Ados unti yehu. Eti mo say my yam say Chebi for ye MPP for because and this year no say tribe will be an region be eto abatia and this dia sa tribe na sa region no wo munya nipa enti the least opportunity and this ni bia benya no so do o matem say the Kevin Taylor ye no sa na this for no tie region bia Obeto abatia and this biano and this family says how rage move for no womunya nipa tribe will be Ghana ha na say tribe no trena bin say party we ni ye pen people and this for form so womunya nipa now what's it before and Prako and anom ensuo and am yi omufrim as say will resign said the honorable Japan going to resign here. In 2017, as I said, Boile Bamboy and Piniso resigned because the comment is ethnocentric. Because the minority in parliament, Haruna Drusno, a press conference said, Honorable Japan Kwetu must resign because the comment on the army is ethnocentric. And this is for more Asema. Boile Bamboy and Pia Kanfa Chebi for Hono, and yet ethnocentric. I need your resign ye. I need your media house of one. Moye crusade. And it's here honorable Japan going to say on resign because of the army well statement, and then what DBBA Semuboto and more per se any money, some of my journalists, my media house of Okroma, more per se and Trasemo, and why? Mubani namusa enuntra mune namua adwuma pension nim no batia no minimum wo so because adwuma na wo ye wo de bone adwuma pension nim no wo de bone kan ho a wa wie ye nyefe ye wa adwuma bi wo ha pension nim aso ba ko fie fine wo ba ko fie fine because wo de nokra ye den aye adwuma. But when in Namua and then I say, and then you are young lady, and then say you are young man, you can use the media house now, or be a piano, no dear ditro, no achieve, near pay 5,000 be a every near pay 10,000, you are okay. a different 50 kono bia nya obi wɔ no media house because young ones never e ho na be kwa kwatena fi no wa yesresrefo no obi aso fi because wo bone ane wo tro a wadi no wo fa call praise call for help ko obi am fi because wo nya ni papa producer yanko breaking mra 2 minutes near metwaso Ghana for Monsorio, Ghana for Monsorio, a Yamunti and Onyati Aba. Ghana for Monsorio, Ghana for Monsorio, a Yamunti and Onyati Aba. Ghana for Monsorio, Ghana for Monsorio, a Yamunti and Onyati Aba.
Didi wo na ko bo mu now the go to the swap you say that you say the father say that you say that can one say that you say pa já didi no a o didi o nam sa didi no papa e be fi mu aba ene na ahu so didi wo na ko bo mu now the go to the swap you say that you say the father say that you say that can one say that you say pa já didi no a o didi o nam sa didi no papa e be fi mu aba ene na ahu
Ghana for Monsorio, Ghana for Monsorio, a Yamunti and Onyati Aba. Ghana for Monsorio, Ghana for Monsorio, a Yamunti and Onyati Aba. Sasuna and special persecutor or time or the ena Juma na or pass out plan office no as well could see 2028. What 2028 in an emrebeson. And now so pass out plan office in as well could see 2028 in tea. Or pay Bibia ye, I'm a macase, and this year case, oh ye bibi. And the case ya of Falitia, Honorable Kenoforata and others. And then another case in a baswa. Eye Honorable Kwadwo Damwa nom nyina ka ho bie na awe Kwadu na class 1 ni kura onye law kura be ka tro say so kind charges na efa Honorable Kwadwo Damwa hona class 1 ni a onye law na bi kura ono bi kura kan tren say ye wo bibi e friend lawyer na law no on professor charges we enfantia Honorable Kwadwo Damwa. And all other charges in etia ebinu no. Mama echinabi discharge and acquitted be ebe piema. Mo bi nko jina babi enko bobo no hene. Mo bi nko jina babi mo bo no hene. Because ohwe Kwadu na obi obaji akan bia nim say paper no nsamankrata na charges na ye dia bom wait bia ni eye bibi na oye just to protect the office na ebe expire 2028 no na mom obaji ani ngwase so in this case no ansa na wakofie 2028 no because 2028 no onya extension because the office no a non-renewable of 7 years until 7 years na ebeso 2028 onko send this be manatna so mo man on be manatwa to kosi 2028 no answer the time so and dey your man sama per the law no na mom se case basa we dia da bia kisi ajabe ne judges no ebenya problem ye ko yanim no yesi obidi Ferisofosu kwachi ese ono de wa endorso Honorable Kennedy Japan about me any credibility. So mo pe obi amana ba bedi abedia konyano abelidi MPP no aba bedi president dia 2028 ne die ono Ferisofosu kwachi a Ghana for time 78 million Ghana since yamano. Na oko UN General Assembly on nkofo yire neko etam obi yire ko she hotel 10 days no the number or no credibility. Obi a wo tam obi yire de neko UN General Assembly. E de Ghana for taxpayers money 78 million allocation. Na what can be no be yire ko UN General Assembly ne mo she ho. Mo wi mo ho ana maba wo ka credibility. Ewo kroma say wo no de ba omiani credibility na mom money NDC fo nyina no mom pe Canada Japan ye da mase NDC fo amatro support ya ma honorable Canada Japan ye no mu ni asem na mom say ye no mo kwabo na mo kire ye kipa ye mfa no meda ponum ye ni NDC fo ni asem asida ye de ma mo ne say ye na mo kwabo na mo ka kire ye say mo pe kipa we enkoma mo ni kipa na kwhye dan mo adie ya tena kroma ya hwe football match o but mi ba na kipa ball ni nam ha say ba no na kipa de na ni a kire say okwa afuo enti nkomo kura mo ni goalkeeper na kwa kodi a mo ba ka kire ye say Musu se kipa we ana MPP fo mfa nkwato po mu ana nkwada po nu mu no yehu enti yate ye damase se moni MPP ni bia kodi nkomo ama MPP ni na die tum Honorable Kennedy Japan die tum se NDC fo mo me support me na me nkoye MPP fo goalkeeper ye damase enti goalkeeper na mayi na maye no ye na muni asem na mo go no de onna ye kwa bobo NDC fo se MPP ni NDC kwa bobo na NDC fo di goalkeeper bre MPP fo goalkeeper ni de ya di ebeyi na sinchen ni ye di goalkeeper ye friend Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia babedam ni ye bobo ni wie 31st na ni ye yi na sinchen no after Mahama 4 years no se mo fi se ono na mo pena mo mfa ne mra no ma face Bawumia ye no muni asem because election na ye kono mo se mo pe Kennedy Japan ye no muni asem enti nyame ya don 2028 andisi fo mo na mo se mo pe Kennedy Japan nyame ya don 2028 Mahama onko biem mo ma Kennedy Japan me ye mo fra bera na oni Bawumia me face tia because mama ya ti ase say mo se mo pe ba Kennedy Japan na mo pe Bawumia ye MPP fo ndi ye pe Bawumia ye mpe Kennedy no nti nyame ya doma 2028 no NDC fo mo fa Kennedy nya mo fra bera because some NDC fo mo ba ba kire ye say ye mfa Kennedy na nya ye mo ye ka kire mo se mo mfa ne 2028 mo mfa ne fra bera Mumum fanin ye 2020 ye de Bawumia na beye enti se mu fi se Kennedy na ye a obetuma we ni dia 2028 mu ni fra bera enti mu ni bi ni dia na se mo se ye mfa Kennedy ye mfa no enti eduru a mo mfa no no nko gina ma mo ye no ni asem na se mo ba kire ye se kipa we na ye mfa no mra match ye no mo be bode agro wo mani so na mo fa le se dia see ye ka credibility a cricket say wo a cricket say wo credibility obi a every year tinje organ ha besin na ye ntimi wo papa wo ba be ka credibility Ferisofosu kwachi wo ba be ka credibility besin na ye wo papa wo ka credibility and nam say besin na wo papa ntina otimi nya kokudro etam obi yire ekọ UN General Assembly for 10 days na won ne cha ona ne kunu e chini hwehwe no e wo Ghana oh credibility ye no be seen wadro so manafe wo kuroma mu wa hun say enya nkwa na kan samfo open samfo atia obati bi because wo hun 78 million enti wo ade wo first of so kwache te say ya ma 78 million ana wo di bia yesuniye ana adaso ana di bia pamatade ne mpaboa ena osika nyina yesai wo mpaboa yesika mpaboa watade yesika atade enti wo muade enama kasia businessman for wo kromo mo gas akasia na fe de wo di omo because 78 million wo da so nti wo frɛ ba no ba bi ma na obedi wachi nti wo no utimi sɔre a no abɛka ne yɛ sɛ wo ka no aka kyerɛ ba mia no kɔ no afa ho adi nti ma yɛ nyia no ne de ebeyi ano producer ene ebe kwantem ye wie no ne ye bon sem no so straight eye interviewer Honorable Naaa Torshie akọ grante ne di kan interview akọ grante ye say MPP ye free aban mu no na dollar no say unima de ne no wabon stay away okanin sem na ofri ase a onama okeka na ebesi ne menti se party leadership akasa asisa MPP for mo hwe ye free achirichiri no wo mutie no mutie ni hie o start central region and some waka babesi enede bia no party leadership enka hwe si abedi kuo no na se kuo no baba yesai sikani kasa eno de party leadership untrelete na mom yani kasa de party leadership untrelete dia kwako yese kuo no mo behia sikafo nkwa na dia ye uni bia you can join because 57 Naaa Torshie started say all can some ama and this ammunition ama omo dia ko 2028 election no me won't let it be from the party leadership. Yes, and that is a fact. And the Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the supporters won't take notice of what some people are doing. Say Naaa Torshie started say all kasano. Obiama man letter because of war. Sika. And so yani bo one statement by the ebeba say yani why the wakasa brana bechiri. Bada bi ebakasa mumpo yabaka se sikani ditro sikani kansemfo sikani kansem ebese MPP platform we ya de best set record street Naaa Torshie MPP free aban mu no na $17 and then am ne NDC ni bi din komo say ma me ne de ye kan ye kaye nyina ye propaganda ba asem we de oditro papa yeah propaganda tamani ye propaganda ngwa ne ye kan system ana me fa phone ana me frɛ madam for abochi bi na me frɛ no na me abochi MPP was one nyina no dollar ebi koya koduru 17 da was 17 dia nhete no mo no black market kura no highest ye koye 16 and no kura no ani 2 weeks 16 or see ani 2 weeks and about 15 and actually ebe gina 14 dey gina so akosi ye be free so black market me fa phone free black market you and ambisa say MPP was dollar no ekoya koduru 17 or black market never obi obeka say black market impo dollar koduru 17 no kache ni pa cross oboa aso Naaa Torshie agreement oni NDC ni Kennedy akonti omo pre oni Kennedy nam ni nyina no eye message no omo prepare dia ma NDC for the next election because 2023 Kennedy kwa abato no election no ba wie nyina no wa prepare message dia ma NDC omu yusu tia MPP 2028 and then Naaa Torshie akwa join no enti sama mo ka nyina ye message ya wo mo package e dia ma NDC because asema Naaa Torshie aka no and then NDC ni no edi o se ye tro de na wo mo po mu mpo 2028 sa voice na ye be yusu okatrem pray o se time mo po se me madam for no ba me NDC ni me madam for no nti oba me jo se mo po se message baako ya record ato ho Naaa Torshie adawroma Naaa Torshie say dollar no duru 17 but o se time between me and you na nye 17 ba Naaa Torshie adawroma ye be fa Naaa Torshie voice no na wo ye MPP ni no ko TV so no kwatenase ni a former administrator of common fund ne voice a senior member of the government ni a boss or no say na ye 17 communicator no be challenge with fast there but ne voice no and na ye one media house to be no ha ni o be die and hia o mo no they will prefer Naaa Torshie video no propaganda video na odema NDC for no propaganda video no odema NDC for no and you say a video say Naaa Torshie antimi anko election na nwie no ria wa baba ye damage control say ba omi awini antimi baba boa because you cannot make U-turn of what you have already said. And as our video no and free the public domain. A try would yes $1 a cost 17 yen no creno. Producer for data and to some mammy. Uriani abon Naaa Torshie voice. For data and exchange rate data and to some mammy. The try Naaa Torshie no. Or see ye free so na 17. Muntie, where exchange rate US dollar 6 January 2025. Oh ta a 14.7. Oh tower a 14.75. Pounds a 18.26. Oh tower a 18.28. Euro a 15.15. Or tower a 15.17. At the moment Naaa Torshie say 17 now $1 koduru yeno ye free aban mu no na ye 17 no e wo fine. Now feel say and this is the sign of credit data we are media two way. And on na ye rare exchange interbank rate. Na wo ba bia na commercial banks use no and this ni wan and power 2028 ya obeka say Naaa Torshie asem na oka no obe use rare data dabi na no finance minister 2025 budget 2026 budget Naaa Torshie ye ku wani wase o me expose na numere 2025 budget at force in Kranko 217. Say $1 is 17 series at force in Canada. 2026 or call parliament at force in Kranko 217 series. And this budget beyond war my year. Almost see exchange rate no echo do 17 series. And so Naaa Torshie Canada Japan say 17 young fast buono and mobile mia because omo per message ediama NDC for. At force your finance minister MPP delegates. Yes, Remo anidio kwanso ahobrasia kwanso madawroma. Mo nkrofo na omo say party no enye ya ye be correct things. Enye ya obi ya propaganda kan se menhia. Ni ababe straight no ni ababe set records no straight no nye na yes party no na mom Naaa Torshie ni Canada Japan ato forcing enyina babia Canada 2025 budget statement clear and for everybody to see. To forcing quoted the same figures. Exchange rate to forcing quote 2 rate and that way 2026 budget to forcing can was but be no to forcing a casse and people pencil dollar echo could do 17 seat but be no to forcing the finance minister Paul our no ya NDC finance minister Onyina Barbian casse $1 under MPP. I 17 Ghana cedis. But now to see Canada Japan. Catch that to force and say, or Kasa, on Kasa $1, 17 Ghana cedis. I woman pay message, Diama and DC for the aqua. But at to force in himself, Conkrata Mua. Exchange rate, and yet near Canada not to see Cano, and yes, I net but not to see China, Canada, Japan, that's in China, say a trouble me at some dear, woman can say 17. Woman can some infant move me and one you must say. The Ria, Mama Casamona Muwasika, until you can do damage control. Mona Muwasika to move back flying here for one, I'm on Maba. You can say you can't say more fear. Once a party leadership for a electronic propaganda, I not to see number why a party leadership not be free range, opian tumum, diabetwagum. Now, not to see them say, MPP, by you know, or no, not to see. A brand no year common fund administrator no. Woman pia common fund. Emma no ko katre ba omiam fino. Ni edi kan appointment letter ba omia. Mo bi sa na to si say. Ono na appointment letter no ba omia na sign ya na. Mo bi sa na to si. Mo bi sa na this simple MPP delegates. Mo bi sa na to si say. Osi common fana omuntia finance minister ntia ema ne koka kire baumia mfinu mimi say an appointment letter as administrator no baumia na sign ya na enye baumia mon sane mi sana to si say eba ne sign na Dambotre former local government minister o tire letter come president Akufo-Addo say ne na to si eye no MPP ebe lose 2024 elections because common fund the bar na to see atna so not the year investment or other banks where Dambotre letter honorable Dambotre otiasi onwuye Dambotre fired a letter to President Akufo-Addo about na to see activities ya all year common fund ho say you release common fund the money say on fan ko assembly na etimi take 6 months no any banks in the year investment and Dambotre stated categorically say common fund and ko assembly Emma DC for fan ya juma a weekend party ni base Dambotre wrote that letter to Naaa Torshie on 2 occasions. On 2 occasions, there were copies of those letters. Now, a many betty free no, you best sending in now social media, and then you teaser. There were copies of those letters. Adam Botre a letter about Naaa Torshie at the command President Akufo-Addo say. Common for the bar, Naaa Torshie atna so or money ko assemblies na weekend party no because say assembly no and yet the local base here assembly ni here juma amanfo no wu ne direct nti eba ne sen and a common fund eba ya no the just 200,000 atum niaka enkobi. Dambotre wrote a letter on 2 occasions. The third one, Dambotre to the President Akufo-Addo say, Obe resign because of Naaa Torshie attitude. Obe resign because of Naaa Torshie attitude. And once I would try no anymore baby guase. Ebra honorable Kenoforata or man Naaa Torshie common fan some fan kwa assembly on fan ko. Amina Tabaye over facing the same problem. And Amina Tabaye no say media I will never supervise this kind of corruption. And Amina wrote a letter to Naaa Torshie. Eko Katrin say common fund na aba won fan ya aduma no common fund na nya odia ye the common fund free Ministry of Finance blow say fako asamira fako enne enye Naaa Torshie ninguase say the current common fund administrator is overwhelmingly performing. Yes, enye Naaa Torshie ninguase say enye ofadie say letter to my babonten from honorable Aminata na obisa nienti aye disika brewo na Naaa Torshie empese obe release sika no e dia kwakoma DC fo ama omudie ye aduma MPP for 276 constituencies eduru babia uba ko babi na party for DC ni anima he but ye can most of them or all of them no na nyomo fortwa na ye Naaa Torshie enipa or ma MMDC program our MPP mu ma MPP ye base a weekend here aye Naaa Torshie and that is a fact MPP for munim why party mpayfo nim but or ye filthy rich say no obi antime kanasem eti dabiano so obi aye madam yes madam yes honorable no moko because or ye filthy rich. Aminanta letter no ho e question Naaa Torshie mumisa Naaa Torshie say party ma maybe show letter no na Naaa Torshie ba Naaa Torshie Canadian Japan running mate obamo ha mumisa ne say Aminanta letter na or trade brain no or no Naaa Torshie in response to fine mumisa Naaa Torshie say Aminanta trade command say yama common fan ade na ate common fund no so na won fa common fund no koma assemblies no mumisa Naaa Torshie say response wa or de buy e wo fine mumisa no obama ho a me be sure Aminanta letter no na next week this week or next week no ye beti free ma boso me ye si yinaka too much oh ye be jani magu producer Ministry of Finance letter na to so fatu so ni enkenkan ko Ministry of Finance letter na to so very good. Also district letter dated 27th January 2024. Ebra Aminanta ye finance minister. Also district assembly common fund responsiveness factor grant. DAF transfer of funds to beneficiary institutions. Reference is made to the implementation of the district assembly common fund responsiveness factor grant in respect of district performance assessment tool. We are in receipt of a copy of letter dated 12 December 2023 by which the Ministry of Local Government, Decentralization and Rural Development requested the office of the District Assembly Common Fund to transfer an amount of 181 million 181 million to the sub-consolidated account of the Metropolitan Municipal and District Assemblies, and 11 million to the District Responsiveness Factor Fund Secretariat for the implementation of that project. We have noted with concern that these funds have since not been received in the accounts of the beneficiaries to facilitate the implementation of the activities in 2023. This is hindering the progress of work and effective operation of the MMDAs. Tie how enam se won fan ko ye ntino ama wo mu dwumadie no entime nkoso as a common fund administrator. Aminanta letter responded to letter dambo twa say Sikana Finance Ministry modi abano ebesi Naaa Torshie mfa sikana nkoma assemblies for eso party for sarea no mu do mani bre akogu DC for so ba na sikana won kran ha Naaa Torshie say onfa nko tunyame onfa sikana nko tamale onfa nko borga onfa nko voter onfa nko oti region onfa nko arafo onfa nko western onfa nko ikekos onfa nko western north onfa nko bunu east onfa nko savannah na oteso wakra na odaso odibia yesu niye wey dem bote sanitary letter ekoma Ministry of Finance and Inter Ministry of Finance tie hade no we are in receipt of a copy of letter dated 12 December 2023 by which the Ministry of Local Government, that is Dambote, Kase, Sika se Naaa Torshie de koma assembly, mo amodi ye adwuma ma abanya ni monyam no Naaa Torshie eti sika no so onfanko. Osi, paragraph 4 of the letter, as you are aware, a prerequisite for committing funds by our development partners to the DAF is for funds meant for the previous cycle of the district district factor grant both government of Ghana and the district factor contribution to be transferred to the MMDA for their planned activities in accordance with agreed allocations. The ministry has received concern from our development partners on the delayed transfer of funds to MMDA as planned. This situation is worrying and threatening the current and future development partner support to the District Assembly Common Fund. What? Sikana omode ba na Naaa Torshie so no ama development partners for no buafu say ye di sika ba na se mo mfa nko assembly nkonko ye adwuma dia ye mfa sika na mabie we ye Aminanta letter or see the continuous delay in transferring funds to the MMDA to bring questions to government's commitment to sign bilateral cooperation agreement and poses a serious threat to the Ministry of Finance mandate of mobilizing more resources to support our decentralization agenda for local government economic development. We cannot afford to lose such potential grant funds as we navigate an IMF program of physical consolidation and economic recovery. Mati, sikana enkwano, emma Ministry of Finance akwanya, emma china woman konko pesika emma ye development enti Naaa Torshie for sika no ko we ye letter 27th January 2024, signed by Honorable Aminata. Where your letter, your command, and then Naaa Torshie Canadian Japan so above. Meanwhile, where are your evidence? Actually, nipa or ma MPP problem. None sa nipa ne nama odi Canadian Japan tem. But you see, sa nipa ne nama o kaseti aba omia. And na evidence ne kire say wo na weekend base no ana ne wo nam ana wo kaseti aba omia. Na wo ne Canadian ka bom ana mumma NDC message because your friend will say move for all because mumu won ye mu bedi nti MPP be ya enfamo and so MPP project now I won't spare anybody. Naaa Torshie won't say MPP by obi anya sika full soldiers now ko gina o ma no munya sika me be kire Ghana for nyame ya doma Wednesday. So I have region many projects in the Baba. I have region projects here 25 million Ghana cedis to 50 million Ghana cedis. I have region, a new region. The Regional Coordinating Council Office. I have region. Naaa Torshie kunene. Yes, Muntian ye. The Regional Coordinating Council, I have a region. Naaa Torshie kunene. University of Science and Technology, I have a region. Naaa Torshie kunene. Okwabunu Isia, Regional Coordinating Council, Naaa Torshie kunene. Ukwa Oti region. Regional Coordinating Council ewo ho Naaa Torshie kunu ye partner and omusi sa offices no ye the projects ne nyina ba ba kire say projects ya ye no was sa region no Naaa regional chairman on timinsi enfant party full soldiers Naaa Torshie kunu efri Accra and the coaches sa projects no na wo nam e ka say wo mom mo ba full soldiers time we the projects akese what the common fund projects akese ema ukunusie no na full soldiers wo ho Naaa Torshie come again time now the 40 million 60 million 100 million projects and the ma ukunu esie no na MPP full soldiers wo ho and na wo pe running mate nti wo kwa ka kire delegates say afedie wo ne Kennedy ba mo be full soldiers projects akese common fund projects akese wo de ma wo kunu si ye no sign na kwa full soldiers wo ye betia sim na me di projects na ba be kire Ghana for projects ya Naaa Torshie kunu na ye na mo bisa MPP for bisa say mamie na Abronye so ye projects akese Naaa Torshie kunu one control boy da e one MPP mu ni esawom e 20 million Ghana cedis and Naaa Torshie samani kunu wo kwa common fund ho na Naaa Torshie ye administrator na projects akese nyina ni kunu e na ye that time na onim say MPP full soldiers e wo na mo misa say project ban and Naaa Torshie de ma MPP regional chairman bia e 3 million Ghana cedis onka mumisa Naaa Torshie say otimema ni kuna duma 40 million 100 million Ghana cedis ni kuna duma e be 150 million Ghana cedis common fund aduma no atam na ni kunu na ye no ye administrator conflict of interest aduma kase common fund project new regions no hospital air koso e be ye renovation sika ne so ni kunu na be ye fire service officer e ni kunu na be ye police station e ni kunu na be sie sa project we nyina no ukunu na yeye that time no unim say na full soldiers wo that time no unim say constituency executives wo ene obi a promise running mate ntu so ba kan se magu ayi Dr. Mahmoud Bamiaso ane agina yie na nsema ye di baba any projects ya ukunu aye organa ha no ne ya bisa say party ni ho na ma ne bi ye tama wo di projects akese ma ukunu no uma party for no bi ye ya na ene ukunu nya sika under MPP wie ye no ukunu ye NDC financier MPP for se munima Naaa Torshie ekunu aka Ghana skafo mu sesei because of project ya Naaa Torshie sama ne kunu nya sika wie ye no ne kunu aye NDC financier akese e wo Ghana ha Naaa Torshie kunu MPP for mo tia ne ye se Naaa Torshie kunu aye NDC financier akese e wo Ghana ha anso ye wo power no project akese nyina Naaa Torshie e de ma ne kunu ye NDC ni kese Naaa Torshie kunu nya MPP ni Naaa Torshie na nim se ne kunu nya MPP ni anso 8 years ya Naaa Torshie be di report no adwuma akese ne nyina Naaa Torshie sisa ma ne kunu e ma ne kunu ye ebi na me ka kire mo no common fund adwuma akese ne nyina Naaa Torshie de ma ne kunu na ye na wukoda me ba be show project ya Naaa Torshie kunu e na asi wo Ghana ha ene otimi di nkomo otokrom say me kunu ya NDC ni enti common fund o de me ye kra NDC fo ntimi nya me hu Naaa Torshie timi ka say onu ni kunu ya NDC ni enti common fund o so ye papa o so ye boni o NDC fo ntimi nya ne hu na nu masem no Naaa Torshie na nu masem no na ukwara me the projects ya ne kunu ye a ne kunu ye NDC financier na ye ne ye koye adwuma na akofo ado appointing Naaa Torshie na Naaa Torshie anke party for not say numa e de ma ne kunu ye ukwara na kire numa Naaa Torshie kunu ye owie ye odisika no e ko finance NDC for be baba appointing one day a Naaa Torshie me di nan say enye ne kunu na ye sa numa no e wo Ghana ha oh he mama ane agina yie na ye mfa boga nye swan sa so ba nanti atake ba omiade a adintrode a because of running mate dia you lie bad ane agina yie ande mfa running mate ni so bia wa hye nkom bia na emma so nti yiwe na enye yie me maka cho se enye yie na enye yie. Yeah, producer outside. Oh, NDC for over the weekend. Say, Matisse, one more food soldiers may come. And NDC for performance sorry. NDC performance sorry. Na Mahame gu NDC. Wakwa Mary Bodu appointment. Need a minimum appointment crop. But ye can no NDC full soldiers na mo come ne di ka mo problem pa ne say mo say mo mre nyina e de boa NDC ba school de mo nko bi e say mo ba be mo problem no free because me pa be di president we are wo social media to say obeda don't want to some dem fi homa na yi say wo ye NDC social media activists here. Stop the nonsense. Say person do hone sami jamfi yepe. Uni ni timi yepe. Because sami jamfi beti ma ba o level no. Aba be yes I do mani bi a wo ye no. Na mom eduru people work ya. Obe fa chire. A de people nyansa akwaje. No ko. Nti woni ni timi yepe. Erikaje beti ma ba o level no. Aba be yes social media work ni bi. Na mom eduru people work ya obe fa chiri no de certificate eko enti mu a mo kam ni nyina no se president ma appointing Mary Bodu se hwan o oba wiase nyina no ye se ona ne ho ofe enya nwanwa say enumere so obenya obi abeda ne nche yesi wiase nyina ona ne ho ofe nso enumere so no obenya obi so abeda ne nche tafuna no enumere so onya obi da ne nche sa meribu adunu enumere onya obi da ne nche me kasa appointment okoji ebia no wo certificate fia bi setokurumba bi wo a wo ye de de ebia wo ni bi nokra ya se wo ye adwuma ene de ye kan no justice for NDC social media activists ene ma refer asem ne de ama Ghana Jorofu ne afia so snega wo mu ni asem no na omomfa report no emre me ukoda. But justice for NDC social media activists. So obi no hey nti se brother mama pay oba bia man appointment ya nti NDC munu omuni oba bia ne ho ofese mare buadu wo de yemfa ne samo pe oba bi ne ho ofe na man appointment NDC munu oba bia ne ho ofese mare buadu na man appointment. And the more problem of party wing. Send this party when you baby and warfare. Eche meribodu na say more pa buyer be and warfare na pot to be abadormagi. Na we na moko fan their more problem of kunum. Opportunist. The piano pebabi obedidi. The bia because abrabo bitinu. Na memi woni influence ya owa. Otiwana obi me kai 2024 yeso obi ti radio so na obi oye media dwuma wambo brother no akwakofa ne de na betena ho waye media dwuma wanya 60 years wa mobra no akwakofa na betena mo wa ne afre me yesi an o ya meri boduti obi so ana nipa odi watenam se na nipa na o hotu program no what come 60 years wa mobra nti meri bodu kwatra ni so kame ma Abronye asana me no we ade ono be ka se no ma baba so so no dabram yini frio oti asie anam si we nipa oba ka se me ya baba so no so no akwakotra we and this is social media for no modika se mo be ye adwuma na eduru tama obedidi na ye ma obi ni atenso no emu orem amodika because am people for ko dawro na abetozo dawro the dawro na ba you see. Now wait to always yes we will influence awurade nyankopon we punch we were punch no face we am we were punch na the video na ba beto a na be hu se punch so punch wa ma wiase a kanipa binum mobo punch we kra no we were punch lawyer no animu na ankasa nie ha na not NDC membership card no or your opportunist. Are you opportunity produce about video no? But video.
I'm sorry, I'm out. See my membership card in here. The church no longer a member of the NDC. I'm sorry, I'm out. See my membership card in here. The church no longer a member of the NDC. Enough is enough. May I'm joining here. May I understand them? I'm out. Enough is enough. Na me intimi to aso na me nyame adwuma. Na me nyame advocate. I'm sorry, I'm out. See my membership card in here. The church no longer a member.
Yes. And that one nti emu oya producer me the video bi ama hwe na ye mu adwuma ne ye mfa nwie. Efa na Toshie hu. What you say? Anti NDC full soldiers assembly there. Emu orem ye can be mama no opportunity wo ho se mo upgrade mo na mo nko biku nyi certificate. but kwala ye de mo fa so no de me ka se me tia me nya ndis ni but so obeyi adwuma na be duru se obenya bia die no na ya fa obi so omedie no wudi asa ai ya se wan kantina obetuma anomadurawu because etimi ya adwendwene se boni ben na ade aye obi a ase se ye boa wo ne ye mwawo wan twa yi a wona mana wo konkwa wona mana wo kasa te se ne wa ye obi boni ba wonye obi boni nti appointment ne bi wo ha say Baomia government na betray afo we no ma ba say omo ba be betray omo the disinformation ba nti ewie be ma mo post agro wo ni so agonya post bia ye ampp dia ye ka ama party man nyina wo ba bia say koye adwuma ye nko awodo ye nko appoint obi and I am for contracting Konkoma Obi because we betray NDC. We will never do that. Yen Koma Obi appointment about me administration on Koma Obi appointment because Nipana betray NDC near their party members or MPP Amamwo and Abomia. Yes, I no. Say Obi betray NDC no aba. And their influence said, wait. Adia ya me de to so yi kire mo yi no ono no wo influence o Ghana politics mu e tell me na me influence me wo no so onyam 1% kwa me ja politics ye onyam 1% me ja politics ye o Ghana me sa me re boadu no me influence me wo e wo politics mu o Ghana so onyam 1% me ja politics ye enti e mo ya producer ye wie no me yire free video bi Asunyana West MP okoka projects ya data no nye MP o and tienianti amese Naaa Torshie kunu eye NDC ni na niema na Naaa Torshie ye as a common fan administrator no na oyetia MPP obia oni honorable bafo we contesting na oye NDC parliamentary candidate na otimi ko Naaa Torshie ho e ma Naaa Torshie approve projects ade man no and so projects ya ye submit ye de ko ye me ne MP no e submit de man Naaa Torshie wa approve and so Millicent amankwa project ono NDC ni o 2024 ono otimi ko Naaa Torshie office e ma Naaa Torshie approve the project and sana year to 2024 aba a producer about video no nti
enye kura ana constituency a ebom ebe kura kesi nsia a obi ade ne ho enti me paadi akọ baby na se ne ka se ba ko pe a ne ko du no impo bibi nwu ma dwe chi na me de ko baby a obi mpo ba je se bibi nti no be call baby ti next round se boa wa je tu se obeboa me make sure say ubetie me no wa boa me ama na wie peye ama me no kwe otie musu enti me bisa their background oma me makoma tia eye nhia tre dumehia fiapre ewia dumase ene kira bisa nsio oma me makoma kuta
bisa ye de kwa ye wa fama
zero makoma kuta 30 me bisa say baby o wa teacher for no the main school in Tinkwani do wa a teacher for no to make ko ba won come for cheba here in Tinkamete 4 bedroom accommodation for teachers oma me makoma kunsia me say check compound do wa next is the doctor's name say
where ye niama Naaa Torshie ya wa NDC parliamentary candidate yes check compound
me bisa no
kwatire
say me bedroom
accommodation check compound me ama me submit de ma Naaa Torshie
me say me pe janaibia fi say abi a hu hia
Naaa Torshie abaso Naaa Torshie no na mom ampipide mene wana bafo awia mene wana bo kwasi ami akyere yes project wa fi
enye kura ana
wasi yembremu bo and now see embremu bo Naaa Torshie timi yeze and ma NDC parliamentary candidate 2024 because we could introduce Abayane Dema. Na ye MPP for no. Many bafo we are many honorable Kosiami Atreme. Many parliamentary candidates in Bino submitted project through Naaa Torshie office. Baku kran wo to me yamae. And one yo yamae. It's a fair mathemasia me say Nikunu ye NDC financier. Enti ni kunu ena introduce abaya we de ma Naaa Torshie se o ma na dumanye afede mahu ene ono nam se yemfa blame no ma ba omia because Kennedy so obaye no running mate e ma so enti no odoko na hye producer boss free ase na bo video ni nansi na yapon
ana constituency a ebom ebe kura kesi nsia a obi ade ne ho enti me paadi akọ baby na se me ka se ba ko pe a me ko du no impo bibi nwu ma dwe echi na me di ko baby a obi impo ba dwe se bibi nti na obi ko baby ti next round se boa wa dwe echi so obeboa me make sure se ubetie me no wa boa me ama na wie peye ama me no ko otie musu enti me bisa their background. Oma me mako ntia. Eye nhia tre dumehia fiapre. Ewia dumase ene tra. Bisa nsuo. Oma me mako 30. Borrow mako 30. Me bisa se baby o teacher for no. The main school in Tinkwani do wa. I teacher for no to make for one time for chair here. In Tinkamete 4-bedroom accommodation for teachers. O man mako nsia. Me say check compound do wa. Nurses ne doctors name same me. Inti so be the wo ana bibi betu nipa na. One here time and nurse ana doctor be do no. Na bia for fear anto aka. Maybe no. Some 4-bedroom accommodation for nurses. And then so ma me mako here. Me say me pay Janaidia. He say abia no here. One am the do ni important one. And sha na ngwase kwa ato. Maybe no. O ma me mako edu. Enti na dia wa ya ma me. We nyina so no make a chair the 22nd January. Or approving 12 February. Not just your Papa John Mahama. You are pound say administrator for common funding for no mind. Nipa ya dia or say and you say better manua. You say on my penny of the bano bibi. Not the 1 year on my penny for the bano. I was so twasso into your better.
I fed your obiatibi. A Juma Naaa Torshie de man no na President Mahama Common Fund Administrator Krana or my hey Naaa Torshie na se honamo obiemu Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia a Juma Odiama NDC parliamentary candidate regional chairman for Numa almost summity ye woman parliamentary candidate for summity ye eba buama party na nya ahoden no Naaa Torshie anye NDC parliamentary candidate Ghana for some Martin Numasem. Some Naaa Torshie Adia Naaa Torshie Yaman no. Na Mahama President Mahama Common Fund Administrator na or my office. Na Naaa Torshie ayade osaye yie mumbisa Naaa Torshie say MPP parliamentary candidates a ofre wo di projects ba ye beboa mo de awi ni election 2024 no oye ba kokora wanye mumbisa Naaa Torshie say regional chairman for katro mo say omo identify constituencies no mo fa projects mra say be ye betuma boa ma party na nya hode no wo mesio do all come mesio we dey a PC for no na betuma identify omo na ekwa abato no omo de aba no ne PC for no anodewo no wato ba bi mo wadanse a NDC MP data no nye MP o na fe na okọ abato adanse a o difa Naaa Torshie ho say bibi bia no obisa Naaa Torshie na Naaa Torshie yema no mo bisa Naaa Torshie say adentina na MPP for de bisa na onye emfa no ana ne kunu ya NDC ni ntia ne kunu ya NDC financier ni ntia anasa abaya we ni oye NDC ni ne kunu so ye NDC ni na ne kunu na de abaya ne ba ye ntina oye sana na uria wa be ka kire ye se ye mfa brain no ema ba omi ukoda hyiaye na ye ba ye ehufi se de party no abiatum se ye mie biem nti ye ba biem nyame ya doma da ukura e beto aso ye da tweda mponkwa amena sesa wa boy ho ban ene da dua yi